We're just doing a little vlogging with my friend. I just fixed my bike, and by the way, it is raining. I'm filming with my phone. There's a car there, and yeah, it's raining. So my phone is in a plastic bag. Yeah. Let's see if I can set you guys up to be on the front of my bike. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah? He crashed, so he's explaining his crash. Yeah. Oh my gosh. My friend's explaining his crash while I'm riding my bike. And sorry for the bike noises. Well, like the weird noises, because I had to take my brakes off. I did that successfully. So I use like my foot on the back of it. I thought you were done drifting. So, yeah, that's really what we're doing. Yeah. My phone's all safe in this little Ziploc bag. Yeah, you know, let me show you what else we're doing right now. You can call us childish if you want, but we think it's kind of fun. We're like pretending we're like my mom's old Isuzu right here is like our house. And like all of my property in the road is our property, you know? And we have like Nerf guns inside this thing. And everything, like, let me show you. We have, like right here, those are the best guns. Here's my friend tried to open the door. We have this gun that's supposed to be in the best guns pile. And then we have like under the table, the not so good guns. And then we have a table and a clothesline. We sometimes hang blankets from it. And then I have my Nerf thing. And then up in the front seats, where it's kind of like push forward, we have some storage. And then right there on top, we use that as one of our tables too, anchored. And yeah, as you can see, it's raining. I was gonna vlog, but then it started raining, and I'm like, wait, I can just put it in a plastic bag. So yeah, sorry today's vlog won't be too long, and this is the end of the vlog, by the way, so hope you enjoyed this short little vlog. Stratton, do you have something to say?
Yeah.
Well, that means bye, I guess. And hope you like the end slate, by the way. I really like the end slate that I made, so see you guys later.